Hello, my dears. Yes, all of you please sit down. My dears, are you going well?
Yes.
Are you happy? My dears, there are so many people around us. They are doing different kinds of jobs. Do you know my job? What's my job? Teaching. Very good. Very good. Teaching is my job. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. Teaching is my job. Nafla, what's your father's job? Is he a teacher? Is your father a doctor? No, then what's your father's job? Come on. What's your father doing? Hamdan, what's your father's job? Yes, very good. Hamdan's father is a businessman. Okay, businessman. Well done. Atika, what's your father? Come on. Is your father a businessman? Is your father a businessman? No, then what's your father? Come on, tell me. Come on. Teacher? Teacher? No. I know your father. Atika, I know your father. He's not a teacher. Okay. Ikhwa, what's your mother's job? Yes, Ikhwa's mother is a teacher. Her mother's job is teaching. Ikhwa's mother is a teacher. Okay, my dears. Now all of you listen. Here I have some pictures with you. You have to say who is in the picture. I will give you some hints. Listen the hints carefully. Are you ready?
Yes.
Shall we begin?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. This is the first picture. I stitch clothes. Who am I? Yes, well done. I stitch clothes. Who am I? Now let's see the picture. Look at the picture. He's a tailor. He stitches clothes for us. He's a tailor. Okay. Now I'm going to take the second picture. Okay. Listen me very carefully. I'm going to give you the hint. You have to say who is in the picture. Are you ready?
Yes.
I bring letters. Who am I? Okay. Well done, my dears. Now we are going to look this picture.
Yes.
Who is he? Postman. Very good. Now I am going to show you the third picture. I won't show you the picture now. I will say a hint about this picture. You have to say who is in the picture. Are you ready?
Yes.
I make pots out of clay. I make pots. Pot. What is the meaning of pot? Pot. Okay. I make pots using clay. All of you, look at this pot. This is a pot. A pot. Is this pot made with steel?
No.
Is this pot made with aluminium?
No.
Yes, this is a clay pot. This pot is made with clay. Okay, who is in the picture? Listen my clue carefully. I make clappers. Who am I? I make clappers. Who am I? Who am I? What? Okay, what we call him? Didn't you know? Okay, let's see the picture first. Yes, all of you, look at this picture. He's a potter. He's a potter. He's a potter. Come on, all of you say. He makes pots out of clay. He makes clappers. He's a potter. He's a. Now I am going to show you the next picture. It's very easy for you. Easy one. All of you say the answer together. Are you ready? I drive vehicles. Well done, my dear little ones. Look at this picture. Driver. Who is in the picture? Driver. Okay, very good. Now, here is the next picture. Very easy one for you. All of you should say the answer together. Shifa, are you ready? Okay. Now, all of you hear my clue. I paint houses. I paint houses. Painter. Is it correct? Yes, let's see the picture. Who is in the picture? Painter. Who is in the picture? Painter. Okay, now let's see the pictures once again. Who is in the picture? All of you say it together. Come on, once again. Tailor. Now, who is in the picture? Postman. Very good. Potter. Driver. Painter. Very good. Okay, now I will ask one of you. Okay, who will? I will ask one of you. Rizwa. You said Tailor. Very good. Okay. I will ask one of you. Don't say the answer together. Shifa. Very good. Well done, my dear little girl. Okay. Don't say the answer. I will ask one of you. Atika. You said. Who is in the picture? Atika. Don't look at her. Look at me. Who is in the picture? Come on, say. Nicola, you say. Okay, Fadi, you say. Very good, well done. Who is in the picture? Atika, you say. Okay, well done, my dear little ones. Well done. Keep it up.